chào anh em nhé. Chào mừng anh em đã quay trở lại với kênh YouTube của BOS Music Center. Ngày hôm qua thì mình có hỗ trợ một bạn. Đây cũng là lần đầu tiên mình làm cái việc đấy. Hỗ trợ một bạn chỉnh hệ thống âm thanh karaoke của nhà bạn ấy online luôn. Thì được cái là bạn này cũng biết một chút về Smaart, cũng đang tập tành rồi, và cũng ở trong cái nhóm Zalo loa hay group của anh em loa hay á. Thì bạn ấy có nhờ là mình xem qua cho, nhưng mà thật sự là khi xem vào cái hệ thống của bạn ấy là mình cũng ngứa mắt, mình chọc chạch vài cái luôn. Và tiện đó thì mình cũng quay lại cái màn hình và các cái bước thực hiện và thực hiện nó ra làm sao. Rồi thì cũng có cái video mà bạn ấy gửi cái kết quả cho mình là sau khi mình set up giúp bạn ấy thì bạn ấy có quay lại cái clip cho mình, và hôm nay mình làm cái clip này để giới thiệu lại và cho anh em xem cái quá trình đấy nó như thế nào. Thật sự ra thì chỉnh âm thanh mà online thì nó không đúng lắm. Nói đúng là nó không được chính xác, và nói chỉnh âm thanh là phải nghe. Thế nhưng mà đây là mình cũng dựa trên những cái thông số hay là những cái ở trên Smaart nó hiển thị, và mình đã điều chỉnh theo những cái kinh nghiệm của mình có từ trước đến nay. Và đặc biệt là cảm ơn cái anh em loa hay đã tạo một cái sân chơi rất là sôi nổi ở trong cái Zalo. Nếu anh em nào có muốn chui vào thì cứ inbox mình đưa vào nhá, hoặc là có thể là rêu rao trên Facebook cũng được, kiểu gì có người tóm vào. Thì thôi mình không dài dòng lâu nữa thì mình sẽ show cái màn hình luôn để cho các bạn xem, và cái phần sau cùng ấy thì nó sẽ là cái kết quả, cái video kết quả mà bạn ấy quay lại cho mình và những cái lời phản hồi feedback của bạn ấy gửi cho mình nhá.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Và một điều nữa là mình cũng xin nhắc lại một chút là cái nhóm Facebook, cái nhóm Zalo loa hay group ạ, thì anh em trao đổi trong đấy sôi nổi lắm. Và mình cũng rất vui được đóng góp những cái ý kiến ở trong đó và có thể là giúp đỡ được một số bạn mà các bạn cần đến. Thì nếu mà các bạn muốn tham gia một sân chơi bổ ích hay là một cái nhóm để trao đổi gặp gỡ nhiều anh em về âm thanh, chia sẻ đam mê thì enjoy cái moment này thôi bạn nhé.